All right, we're going to try some avocado for the very first time. See what you think. Mommy mixed it up, pureed it, and then put a little bit of booby milk in with it. What do you think? You don't even know how to open your mouth. What do you want to do? Do you like it? What do you think of it? I think you like it a little. Hey? Should I put a little more in? No? Was that enough for today? No, you need to try a little bit more. What do you think? Hey? No thank you, Mom. No thank you, Mom. Are you sure? Try it again? Yeah, not so bad. Oh, I think you swallowed it. Was it good? Yeah, you don't know yet. You're thinking you're just not sure, huh? Yeah. Well, I think it's out of your mouth now, which is a good sign. And it didn't come on Mommy's face, and that's an even better sign. Yeah. Yeah. Want to try some more? No? Maybe a little? Is this too much? There? You're going to grow up and eat food. Yes. Here, you have to open your mouth. There. Oh. It's very good for you. Yeah, it's a yummy avocado. Lots of good stuff in it. Mommy loves avocado. I think I had one every day when I was pregnant, so you should like them. Yes, when I was making you, we used avocados. Yes, you're 10% avocado. Yeah, is that it? Is that all you want? That was messy. No thanks. It's okay, we'll clean it up. There. You don't have to love it the first time. No. Ooh, yes. What do you think? Are you learning to swallow it? Yeah. Not really? Ugh, pooey. No, thank you. Get that out of my mouth. Oh, okay. Okay, well that was today's adventure. Avocado.